Hi everyone, it is Miss Haller. I just wanted to give you guys the rundown on what we went over in class today for those of you who weren't able to Zoom in. So we are going to go ahead and just go to my fourth period class. If you're in a different period, that's totally okay. It's going to be basically the same. So basically, I just clicked on one of my classes, and when you log in, it will look pretty similar to this. You'll be able to see what class this is, my office hours, and then my email. If you guys ever need anything from me, you guys can meet with me from 1 p.m. to 3:25 p.m. And we can Zoom or you can email me, whatever works best for you, whatever you need, just to make sure that we get everything done. So for today, I went over some announcements. I do want to kind of point out that we are still allowing students to raise livestock through our FFA program. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely start thinking about it. We will have a livestock meeting through Zoom for you and your parents or guardians on Tuesday for third and fourth year members, and then on Thursday for first and second year members, and that's next week. And both of those meetings will be through Zoom at 6 p.m., probably end around 8 p.m. Let's see. That is basically all for announcements. If you do attend that meeting, you're not forced to have an animal, but it will give you a good perspective and a good understanding of having an animal, what to expect this year, since obviously things are going to be very different since we are in a pandemic. So to get to my assignments, quizzes, and discussions, you can go one of two ways. You can either click on the modules tab up here, or you can go down to the modules tab down here. So once you get into my modules tab, you'll notice I have some assignments for the first 2 weeks. So if you weren't able to complete that assignment or the assignments that I'll put here, no problem, just get them done as soon as possible, just so I can get those entered into the gradebook. You'll notice if you haven't completed it, because you'll have a 0 in the gradebook for right now. As soon as you complete it, I will switch your grade, you'll get full credit. Just because I know those first 2 weeks were pretty hectic and crazy, and going through emails was hard to see all of your assignments, so I'm not going to dock you points for that. As for this week, what you're going to be doing is completing Module 0. Each module will be different for each class, so if you have me for multiple classes, make sure you do both Module 0s. For the first one, for this class, it's 3 different assignments. All you have to do is click on the assignment and it'll give you information on how to complete the assignment. It'll give you direct instructions, so you won't forget anything. One thing I do want to point out is if you're doing a Nearpod assignment, make sure you complete it. Don't just skip through everything, because I won't be able to give you all those points for that. If you already skipped through everything and turned it in, do it again and just shoot me an email when you finish so I know you've completed it. Other than that, that was pretty much all we went over. If you ever want to see your grades in my class, you can go to grades and it will give you those grades. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you need anything, shoot me an email. Again, I will show you my front page so you know when you can email me, when you can Zoom with me, all of that good stuff. Bam, right there. All right, have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope you all are doing well. I missed you in class, but we'll see you in our next class. Okay, bye everyone.